my god, you guys, look at my food. Oh my gosh, this looks so satisfying. And that's Bibs over there. Oh yes, honey. And that's Tyler's. Go ahead, baby, eat. Have it. No, thank you. Have it for you. He loves mayonnaise. He's having mayonnaise and fries. Babe, are you gonna finish that?
Well, we're gonna see at the end.
Doesn't want to go anymore. It was warmer earlier. Shaking like a leaf. He's shaking like a leaf. So cool.
Don't make him.
I'm taking out. Time out there on the boat ride. We learned so much. It was really fun to get an insight and be at where the rich and famous go and the billionaires. So that was interesting. It was really beautiful, and we're actually just leave the beach, had a little fun with Tyler. The water is always cold at first, but then he warmed up to the water, so that's good. And we are walking now to go to the car because our timer on the car up at 4 o'clock, and it's about 10 minutes to 4, and we have to go and adjust it because we're not ready to leave as yet. We still have more hours in the day to enjoy the rest of the day, so we're gonna go to the car, adjust our timer, and then figure out what's our next move. But it's been a beautiful day. We're having so much fun, and yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying this vlog. So if you're enjoying the vlog, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below and tell us how you are enjoying this vlog. What's your favorite part of this vlog? And baby's just here looking all handsome. I can't stop looking at him all day in this hat. All day in this hat. I need to buy more hats, or I need to stop buying hats. Which one? Comment down below and tell me if you guys think I should buy babe some more hats or I should stop buying hats, because whenever he's in a hat I cannot stop looking at him. I can't get enough of him when he's in hat. He just looks super yummy when he's in hat. Alright you guys, we're gonna go by the car and then figure out what's our next move.
So we just stopped for a little drink because we are early for dinner. It's only 5:30 p.m. and the restaurants are not open, so we decided to stop and have a drink. So you find something you want?
Can I have my usual? Yeah.
What you gonna have?
Monaco.
Okay. Okay.
You know that's what I always have.
Alright.
So Monaco it shall be, unless I change my mind. But I think I'm gonna have Monaco.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you finally get your Monaco?
Yeah. Until I switch finish.
And this is mine.
I'm gonna taste yours first.
Okay, go ahead.
It looks yummy. It's good. You wanna taste this one? Oh, heaven. Tastes so good. So good. It's good, right? This one's good. Taste yours. Tastes good? Yummy. Go ahead, eat. Eat.
We did like what is this thing on TV? Top Chef.
Yeah.
When they have the restaurant and just look at the menu and see if they want to go, you know. Nothing.
Have it,
If you want to get pizza or pasta, the first one, I think it's very good.
Well, obviously, if you get those reviews, have to be good. Oh my god, you guys, look at my food. Oh my gosh, this looks so satisfying. And that's Bibs over there. Oh yes, honey. And that's Tyler's. Go ahead, baby, eat. Have it. No, thank you. Have it for you. He loves mayonnaise.
Alright.
He's having mayonnaise and fries.
For me.
Babe, Are you gonna finish that?
Well, we're gonna see at the end.
Alright guys, let's grab the last bite.
2 more.
2 more bites.
2 more pieces. 1 bite.
So 2 more pieces, but it's 1 bite. Donezo. All done, all done. Tyler, how did you do? Not bad, Papa. Not bad at all. Good job. You wanna see them? You're showing them what's in your mouth? Ew. Ew. Sweet boy. You eat up all your food? Pipi in the pampers. You guys, dinner was heaven. No, babe?
Yeah, it was.
Dinner was so good, but we decided not to have dessert there. I think we're going to find an ice cream shop and have some ice cream, and then we're gonna chill for a bit and then head home. But it's a good day. All right. Yeah. It's good. Yeah. Yummy. Ooh. Ooh. Damn, I love how they stick the things in there. Bonjour. Ça s'est bien passé? You guys, hopefully it's not too noisy, but today is literally one of the best day ever. It's just randomly that we're out and exploring and having a good time, and it's really a good time. If you guys follow me on Instagram, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, the link is down below in the description box. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I've been snapping Instagram story all day today. It's just simply amazing. How was it, babe? How has it been?
That was very good. That was very good. That was beyond my expectation.
Me too. I am really having a good time. It's nothing what we set out left home this morning to do. Tyler is here making noise as usual. Say bye bye, Tyler. Blow them kisses. Hey, one more. Hey. Alright, you guys, baby's gonna give you the French word for today.
So the French word for today will be vacances. Vacances mean holiday, because today feel like a holiday, that's why I say vacances. It's like vacation, vacances for vacation. Right, say it.
Vacances.
Right. So, and it's soon gonna be summer break, so we doesn't matter which break it's in France, we call it vacances. So it's gonna be like the big vacances for people who have a school.
Excuse me.
If anybody going soon in vacances or are already in vacances. I wish everybody, all of them, happy vacances.
Alright, you guys, we're going to basically go ahead and end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and if you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and tell us how much you enjoyed today's vlog. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys